Tuesday, DLR number 4. Starting out with correct these sentences. Number 1 says, the show that you want to watch is on today. It begins at 4:30. First of all, we can tell this is a run-on sentence, so there's going to be more than one way to fix it. I'll show you one, and then we can go over a couple others. If when we're finished, you still don't know if yours is correct, you can come ask me. So the show that you want to watch is on today, could be period, and then capital I for it. It begins at 4:30. If you wanted it to be one sentence, you could have done comma, and it begins at 4:30. You also could have been creative and said, the show that you want to watch is on today at 4:30. You would just take out it begins and just have after today at 4:30. All of those ways work. Now let's fix the other mistakes. We of course need a capital letter. The show that you want to watch, not wants to watch. The show that you want to watch is on today. It begins at 4:30. Period at the end. And then we also need a colon here to separate the hours from the minutes. We write 4:30 like this. So I'll rewrite the sentence, and I'm going to do it that creative way that I mentioned. The show that you want to watch is on today at 4:30, period. Remember, you could fix it that way. It could be comma and it begins at 4:30, or it could be period, capital I. Number 2 says, Mr. Davis, the butcher, cut turkey, ham, and cheese for us. Now, when DLR gives us the commas, you can trust they are already in the right place. The reason we do it this way is because Mr. Davis is the butcher. So we put Mr. Davis, comma, and then the butcher tells more about him. It tells us who Mr. Davis is. It's called an appositive. And a appositive tells more about the subject, and it has a comma before and after. So Mr. Davis, the butcher, cut turkey, ham, and cheese for us is how the sentence should read. We just need to fix some capitalization and punctuation mistakes. So capital M on Mr., period after the R, capital D on Davis, and then we need more commas. This is like comma overload in this sentence. He cut turkey, comma, ham, comma, and cheese for us, period. These are commas in a series like we've been working on. And then rewrite it correctly. Mr. Davis, comma, remember to make all of your corrections, the butcher, comma, cut turkey, comma, ham, comma, and cheese for us, period. Number 3 says, give a synonym for the word below. Remember, synonym means similar or same meaning. So another word for enormous would be big. Maybe you thought of huge, gigantic. Any word that means the same as big, huge, gigantic, enormous, large. Any of those words, give yourself a star. Then we have spelling, numbers 4 and 5. Which word is not spelled correctly? Married, bicycle, building, enemies. Building, it should be spelled B-U-I-L-D-I-N-G. Away, voiced, dinosaur, scrub. Scrub is incorrect. It should be S-C-R-U-B. Chart your progress, put it in your work in progress.